guys, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make a foam jewelry set. This includes bracelet, ring, earrings and a mantika. So let's start. First, let's make the bracelet. For this, cut a strip of foam and divide it into 3 equal parts like this. Then leave a little bit from the top and make a line. Cut on these lines till this point. Now braid the strip and secure the end with hot glue. Now cut both the ends in a triangle shape. On both sides, make a hole using a needle. And put jump rings. And close the jump. On one side, put a lobster clasp. Now your bracelet is ready. See, this is how it looks on my wrist. Now let's make the ring. For this we need to cut a smaller strip and repeat the same braiding process. Then we need to hot glue it like this. And your ring is ready. Now let's make this earring. For this, braid one strip and roll it tightly. Now take a jump ring and hook it in this loop. Like this, and then in this one. Now take a earring hook and slide it in this jump ring and close the jump ring. Now your earring is ready. Now let's make the mantika. For this, repeat the braiding process to make a braid. and make a rolls like we did in the earring. Then cut the top of the braid in a curved shape and take a needle and make a hole. Then take a hook and put it in this hole and close it in the back and hot glue this rolls on the strip. Your mang tikka is ready.